Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Subscribe to this channel and press like. When you subscribe,
why is it also
get
I know you work very well in Anambra. Forget the thing.
Okay?
We
love you guys.
Where you come from? Belle MC. You know this is how they work. Even me here, there are those in Abuja fighting me belle. Do you understand what I'm saying? So some people, because of the level you are now, they envy you in your state. They can come out and say all kind of rubbish. Don't worry, that's how it is. It is your one person that will kill you first. Did you understand me? So don't bother about those things. I've always told people, when you are given an opportunity to serve, use it and showcase what you can do. Stop criticizing somebody who has already left. You have been given the opportunity now. Show it. I'm a professor, professor well. I'm a doctor, doctor well. I'm a lawyer, lawyer well. I'm a mechanic, mechanic well. Yes, we get pepper demo. Oh, yes, pepper demo. Yes, we get pepper demo. We are say pepper demo. Professor, what do you do? No pepper demo. I go trade my business. I say pepper demo. So, even trader, I don't know the type of trade you, whether na spare tire, or supermarket, brewery. You enter trade is trading. I enjoyed you when I came to your house in Anambra. You know, when people see you, they think that you don't like good things. You like good things. I went to your house. I just stayed in your house. I looked around. I said, this man, you like good to know. Even the food he served us, my brother, there's going to be poor man food with that one. Even the drink, I was surprised. I was telling my colleague, so this man, he like this kind of good thing like this. But when you go out outside, he didn't have person with that, they let it. I hereby invite you to talk to your people and commission the project. Thank you.